If you're looking to set up GoTo Resolve to support your employees remotely, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure your team has seamless, reliable remote support, and I'm going to show you what might be missing with GoTo Resolve that could impact your productivity. So stick around until the end, because I'll also introduce some alternatives that might just be a better fit for your needs. First things first, let's talk about setting up GoTo Resolve. You'll need to create an account on GoTo Resolve's website, and after that, log in to your admin dashboard. This dashboard is where all the magic happens. Here, you can start managing your remote support and begin adding users. You'll be able to assign specific roles to employees so they can access exactly what they need and nothing more. It's a pretty solid setup for those who need clear role-based access. Next thing, you'll want to integrate GoTo Resolve with your existing systems. This is important because you want all your tools to work seamlessly together. GoTo Resolve does have integrations for various platforms like Active Directory, which is great for larger teams. But it's important to note that these integrations are not as smooth as they could be. Some users report occasional glitches or delays when syncing with third-party systems. Moving on, let's talk about setting up remote support. GoTo Resolve allows you to provide live remote support for employees, which is key for IT departments and customer service teams. You'll want to set up the session parameters carefully. This includes configuring settings such as session permissions, security measures, and access controls. If you're handling sensitive information, GoTo Resolve has strong encryption protocols, but I've found that navigating these settings could be a little more intuitive. The fourth thing to consider is GoTo Resolve's remote management capabilities. You can deploy updates, troubleshoot devices, and even access unattended machines, which is useful when your team works from different time zones. However, the process of initiating and managing unattended support sessions can be a bit clunky. It works, but it's not the smoothest experience I've seen with other tools. Now, the fifth thing that makes GoTo Resolve stand out is its cloud-based architecture. Being in the cloud means you can support your team from anywhere. The downside, though, is that without a stable internet connection, your support capabilities might suffer. The app is generally reliable, but occasional connection hiccups do happen. And finally, let's talk about the pricing. GoTo Resolve's pricing is competitive, but it's important to weigh the cost against its capabilities. While it's a decent solution, you might find that there are other tools out there that provide similar or even more advanced features for a better price. At this point, I've covered the basics of GoTo Resolve, but here's the thing. While it's a solid choice for remote support, there are alternatives that may suit your team even better. Tools like Competitor Software 1 and Competitor Software 2 have similar features but offer a more streamlined experience and, in some cases, better customer support. Now, here's the best part. If you're considering GoTo Resolve or any of its competitors, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial available, plus some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. That includes additional perks for software that I think will help you meet your remote support goals more efficiently. Be sure to check it out. You won't regret it.